that was part one. This is part two of the Kia minivan. So I made this corner, 8-mile trip, made this corner, and my car completely died on me as I turned this corner and headed that way. And so I'm gonna try to turn it over for you guys, but I'm sure 250,000 miles, and it's setting for so long. It's been setting for a couple days. I've not driven it very much. And so it's got 250, 382 miles. And that's all we're getting out of that. So I'm sure that that's the motor locked up. But AAA is on his way to pick me up, get this sucker back to the house.